There you go.
What? Oh!
It's so cute!
Are you kidding? Oh.
Dude, you're putting it in front of the face.
Like a little monkey, a little monkey.
So cute.
Watch the big milk.
Watch it. Milk. It doesn't want to drink milk.
I know, it was drinking milk and then it stopped.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it likes you. And it actually likes me too.
Wait. Oh no!
That was cute.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
Now he keeps on like tipping over. Like he doesn't have anything. You see?
It was like he doesn't have any legs though. Okay.
Wait, he's looking. Wait, he's on? Oh, zoom in.
I can't zoom. Okay. No, you can.
Oh.
What is this? Keep on zooming. That's too zooming in. Oh. It's like looking around. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, sorry.
You didn't get it.
Can you hold it?
Yeah.
Thanks. Oh, there's something in the milk.
What is it?
I don't know. You want to take it out? Uh-oh.
Oh no. Oh my gosh, it's Michael.
It loves you. It loves you. It loves you.
Oh, look at the tiger. It's like a tiger.
It's like a tiger in the wild. Roar, roar, roar.
Okay.
It's the cutest kitten ever. I'm gonna get Samantha.
Get it.
Oh, it's lost. Huh?
Who are those people?
I guess they were my friends.
Wait. Okay. No.
Sorry.
Not you.
No, don't come over here. No. It likes me a lot, though.
Okay, go on, Kizzy. Go on, go get Samantha. Tell her that you need to see this kitty. Oh, you should get up. What are you doing with this? Shit. I think it's not stuck. No, but it's not stuck anymore.
Right here. It's up front.
Oh, it's one of those mixed ones.
Yeah, see?
We found it in the jacuzzi.
It was that meow.
Yeah, I knew there was one in there.
Is it recording?
Yeah, but it didn't meow. You guys remember when we tried to put the other one? See if we can mouse save another one. Yeah, maybe the mouth is dry. That's why it didn't meow. What was the milk that we gave it? Like, it was actually like drinking it.
He was like
we're still recording, Tico.
I know.